Now, farmers across the country have been urged to enhance verification of seeds to establish whether they are of good quality and meet required standards. This comes in the wake of some unscrupulous traders who have been selling fake seeds to farmers, leading to declining of food production in the country. Now, according to Chairperson Kenya Seeds Company, Wangui Ngirishi, ahead of the planting season, there is a specific code number on the seed packets that farmers are guided to send an SMS to ascertain the quality of the seeds.
So that as the tractor moves, so that we call it. No? So you'll find that in such Stop. Consent.
But we want to be very sure that the issue of safety, the issue of accuracy.
Now, the national government has committed 36 billion shillings to be spent on provision of clean energy infrastructure